Hello friends, welcome to Crochet World. Today in this video, I am going to share you some tips and tricks about kitchen decoration ideas. So let's get started the video. Number 1. Color schemes. Choose a cohesive color palette. Soft pastel or bold colors can create different vibes. Pastel for a calm feel and bold colors for angry. Number 2. Open shelving. Consider open shelves to display beautiful dishware or cookbooks. It adds character and keeps estimate within reach. Number 3. Backsplash. A unique backsplash can be a focal point. Try tiles in different shapes or colors, or even a vibrant mural. Number 4. Lighting. Pendant lights or under cabinet lighting can brighten up your kitchen and add a stylish touch. Number 5. Natural elements. Incorporate plants or herbs for fresh look. Small pots on oiled steel or hanging plants can bring life to the space. Number 6. Art and decor. Hang artwork or fun scenes that reflect your personality. This could be anything from vibrant prints or model art. Number 7. Functional decor. Use decorative jars, bowls, or basket to store items like utilized on produce while keeping the decor functionally. Number 8. Textures. Mix materials like wood, metal, and textiles. Add wooden cutting board, metal accents, and textile towels can create visual interest. Number 9. Accent all. If you want to make a statement, paint on all a bold color or use wallpaper to create an accent all. Number 10. Rugs. A stylish rug can add warmth and define the space, especially in an open concept area. Number 11. Personal touches. Incorporate family photos or personal memories in a frames. A photo wall can make the space feel more inviting. Number 12. Vintage finds. Look for vintage kitchen tools or decor. A retro clock or an old-fashioned scale can add charm. Number 13. Layered lighting. Use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Dimmable lights can also help set the mood. Thank you for staying with me. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.